Hi, I'm Connor, and this is Julia, and we're
Alright,
here to
4
show
minutes,
you
kids.
about the
4.
drinking bird. In this drinking bird, there are energy transfers. It starts as the water on the head evaporating, which is heat energy, which turns into this liquid here, turning into condensation, which is also heat. And then it turns into the motion of this liquid coming up, which turns into the motion of this drinking bird bobbing back and forth. And then the second coming down, and the second motion down. That's the end of our video, and thank you for watching. Thank you. Please hit the subscribe.